Okay, so you can see from this one that we're not just the same degree on the top and the bottom, but we actually have one larger on the top. So very improper, right? So we are going to long divide. So x squared minus 4x minus 12 going into x cubed minus 8x squared plus x plus 26. So we would just put an x here. That will give us x cubed minus 4x squared minus 12x. So subtracting this, you get negative 8 plus 4, so you still have negative 4x squared. And you have positive x plus 12, so that's plus 13x. And then bring down the 26. And you can keep going and go one more, so this would be minus 4. So that would be negative 4x squared plus 16x plus 48. Subtracting this whole thing, you get 0x squared, and then you would get negative 3x, and then 26 minus 48 is minus 22. So what you get is x minus 4. So you have a 4 term, and then plus negative 3x minus 22 over x squared minus 4x minus 12. Okay, so that would be, let's factor this, bottom, x, let's see, minus 6x plus 2. So we would get x minus 4, and then plus a over x minus 6 plus b over x plus 2. So let's carry that over to the next slide. I had x minus 4 plus a over x minus 6 plus b over x plus 2. And we had that had to equal, well, let's do the multiplication out. This is ax plus 2a plus bx minus 6b has to equal our x. Pause a minute. Have to go back and look at the previous slide to see what we got. It's right here, negative 3x minus 22. So equals, negative 3x minus 22. Okay, so x factored out, and you get a plus b, and your constants are plus 2a minus 6b equals negative 3x minus 22. So that means a plus b has to equal negative 3, and negative 2a minus 6b has to equal negative 22. So let's multiply this one and do elimination by 2. So I get 2a plus 2b equals negative 6. And negative 2a minus 6b equals negative 22. And so you would have, you're adding, negative 4b equals negative 28. So b is equal to 7. That's not right. Hang on a minute. Okay, had a little error here because this is a 2a minus 6a. So that's a positive 2a. Boo! So we are going to have to change this to a negative 2 to do that adding. So this would be negative 2a, and then minus 2b, right, equals positive 6. Okay, so let's just take this from there. And we would have 0a, and then we would have negative 8b is equal to negative 16, so b is equal to 2. There we go. Sorry about that little mistake. That was a positive 2a. All right, so we have b is 2, and a plus b equals negative 3. So a plus 2 is negative 3, so a is negative 5. So back up here, our answer is x minus 4 plus negative 5 over x minus 6 plus 2 over x plus 2. And there we have it.